Welcome back to my channel in my spare time. Today we are at the city of Rome, Italy, and we're on our way to see St. Peter's Basilica. So come along with us. We're almost there. We're almost walking through the doors of St. Peter's Basilica. It is a church of the Italian High Renaissance, which is located in Vatican City. And it is an independent microstate enclave within the city of Rome, Italy. It was initially planned in the 15th century by Pope Nicholas V and then Pope Julius II to replace the aging old St. Peter's Basilica, which was built in the 4th century by Roman Emperor Constantine the Great. Construction of the present basilica began on April 1506 and was completed on November 18, 1626. So welcome. St. Peter's Basilica is a famous place of pilgrimage for its liturgical functions. The Pope presides at a number of liturgies throughout the year, both within the Basilica and the adjoining St. Peter's Square.
That's why the campaign is made by the students includes also photographs
Catholic traditions hold that the Basilica is a burial site of St. Peter, who was a chief among Jesus' apostles and also the first bishop of Rome. St. Peter's tomb is directly below the high altar of the Basilica, also known as the Altar of Confessions. St. Peter's Basilica is regarded as one of the holiest Catholic shrines. It has been described as holding a unique position in the Christian world and is the greatest of all churches of the Christendom. you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Have a blessed Jubilee year.